What's up, guys? Welcome back to Sandy and Bones TV. You don't know from the early voice, it's your girl Sandy. Back again with another Queenie phone. You don't know she go live after Sting now explain all kind of things we're going to take place with Seh Amari. Before we get into the video, I want to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notification bell so you're notified whenever we upload. Big up yourself, Bones and Uncle Gaga. Stay tuned to the channel. Alright, I could check out the video.
Jessica, look at that carrots in my eyeglass, please. What Mariah crazy see here, Yvette? Left for now. Why not look for my phone? Why not look for me? Well, I don't see some weird thing on the eye from me, no? Yes. My neglect to the wipe out, tell him. Laying every day. Because this thing from promotion team. Well done. And people are bash Sting. But it's not anything for no bash mouth. It's not for no event. And not for no production. Anything the man want him done. So if you want to get two great pussy woman for clash, it's his production. It's not for only the hungry belly tell the man what him should do. Let him big up yourself. I like it. It's exposure for the two of us. And it's good because we come from the guitar, we're going to try a lot as woman. So now because of the internet, we can explore ourselves and exalt ourselves. And the world can see we, and who is in our court will be in our court. But I say again, big up to Lang and everybody, well done. You know, it's a hard job and an easy job. You understand me? And it's not about for have my opinion to say, it's not about that. If me there is some me come on my platform, I'm going to ring thing. It's my platform. So big up Lang, big up everybody, big up all of the Sting crew will make it possible. Big up me, Queenie, big up Amari as well. Amari, big up yourself. But you're rude, you assault me. And Frank, so what his joke to you is dead to him, Amari. Amari, you know, so I'm not take them violation, the darling. But it's because I'm a professional and I have me at bigger levels. I drama you and I humor you. But it's rude. It's rather rude what you done. That is, you will have say I got sue people. Yeah? You make an attempt in so many times you assault me. You know that me can't sue you, I can't take it to court because you assault me physical. I may say to you, it's a girl, and a physical something. Girl, me don't know you from nowhere. And you don't know me. Why you want to exalt yourself? It's not about that, baby. Because for you see me in a real life, you know, me is a bad winner. There's no comparison to me and you. I not discriminate you. Because, remember, and everybody I tell me now, I got done the girl, what I say. I not depend for done the girl, you know. I depend for showing them my talent. I want that platform to expand myself, for go and serve my people then. So when I say as I reach the stage, I spit, I literally spit by me now because she come in on my face. I like to go so, and she come up in on my face, you know, first. That is rude, you know, Amari. And what I'm tired up, and at the end of a good day, Frank so what his joke to is dead to him, but in my head, me as a talent. Lyrical. Me not even get forget my lyrics them. You understand me? But Amara, put fun and joke aside, darling. You make so much big talk, say you come, you gotta take the lady off from my name, in the word at the stage. But you come for attack me physical, baby. You understand? I'm gonna tell them something for joke.
Give her name and give the gangster to her.
I tell them from yesterday when I did the interview, I said to them, I leave the Queen of England with my husband, with the king. It's the lady gangster on stage tonight. So Queenie was there, was lady gangster. But my point is, you come now for perform and say I have lyrics. I mean, in a body, I mean, I exist in it. Whether you're mad, you still got you 30 days around the world to reach Jamaica. Nash, big up the bad suit. Girl, the bad suit, cute on stage. Alright. And you come. As them give me the mic, remember you first come on the stage, you know. As them give me the mic, you come literally spitting on my face. My face all my breath, you know. You know, I don't even remember what I said to her. Like my dad said, hug, some word me use, I condole myself in it. And I say, Queenie, don't peer though, but I don't plan to say, but I peer though, man. I'm good at blanking out people and me ready. Then I said, nobody attack me. I have to just humor it out. Amari a bad girl. He's not a bad girl. Come with just sweep for your foot, girl. I don't want contest to come with that. I scoop her up like one shovel to carry off her stage. Scoop her up, them shovel her. Actually, them shovel her up. I'm a feel so sorry for her because you know what, Amari.
Is this what clashes?
That's not a clash either. That's an attack.
Is this what clashes? Is this what's supposed
That is attack. We don't even get to express my vocal. But Amari, I want for discrimination here, but you see, the day before I went and sing, I'm here, the destiny. This is from a mom to a next mom. Yes, sir, Jamaica people, them, I don't get class them. And the people, them, not for vote for me. I don't want to know, say me a chink. I never want nobody for vote for me, because them want vote for me. There's a difference. Me, Queenie, can't want them for vote for me, Amari. Them want vote for me, but away from that, Amari. You see, when I listened to you the day before this thing, which was Christmas Day, the way you speak to that little girl, Destiny, she's 19. Destiny, all if you're rude to me, it's mentally, physically, and spiritually abuse, it's torture. You ever sit there and tell a little 19-year-old how bigger Anita is? The same words that you use to me. So when I said that, I said, Yvette, oh, that's why she class, Rochelle. Because I'm not taking Amari, you know. So I said, oh. I said, oh, that's why she talks about my daughter. Because you and your daughter the same place and she's 19. And you gotta tell me, Queenie, prior before you speak to your daughter like that, Queenie, the people them at Jamaican artists see you. Me not ask the people them I do nothing for me because I don't want them to do nothing for me. You know why? Because they're doing it for themselves freely. Me not have to ask somebody to make meme, for repost me. Everything is natural. But Amari, you see from the way I see you speak to Destiny, I said, no, this little girl need help. I should love her mother. I should deal with her mother with so respect. Destiny, big up yourself. I'm not busy if you want to like me, because you tell them mama did for beat me. But your brain, little brain's confused, and I pardon you. Because you need help, Destiny. You need help. You're just terrible and awful. No malfunction and a malfunction. Amari is a public abuse. All who are rep for Amari and I say Amari this, Amari that. Don't forget help from Amari and our child. That little girl need help. You can. If you ever hear me come on internet, come abuse my kids, and you're mad. And not even inside either. You understand what I mean? Amari, you are troubled and you need help. So even though you entertain in the world and you come for the body which man God hurt, I rate you. I like the challenge where you make for come challenge me, because there's no challenge. Yeah, on a disturb, wicked. You spend me so no life, I say but quitting nothing there, just nicey. You understand? Amari, you cannot speak to the child like that and then come for contest me a matter. I mean, so the children are the future. That's a young generation there. You understand me? And regardless, you're going to say your child, Destiny, is a little crook if you sit down and take up back when somebody come to you and tell you that you need help. You are troubled. You're 19. You're scared a little girl from Hurley. So when you come and done my daughter, I only can forgive you, Amari. You understand me? I don't need help, man. You're rude to Amari. You really think you could have come attack me on stage? When Jesus said yes, I not even know what I'm doing for it. When I see me throw back your plastic wig, come on. And not even about people discriminating. Amari, I could have come tell you some nasty things. But I don't say. Me, now make the world say two great. The past stage I say all of the half-full word about each other. Make sure one class, me just drama. Me say crazy.
Girl power.
Never lazy. A girl power, me still I promote same way. You understand me? Yeah, man, I'm very rude. When me say I tap me, hey, you know what my love? Cause me go up on the stage, you know, me not get to perform a song what I want to do, you know. Me take off all my dress before time, you know. Cause me see I tap me, I say, me nah make this bum cracker hold me off for the ray. The fact come off quicker than what I expect. Cause Stephanie come help me. Yeah, fuck, Christian lady in her spirit. Cause I go perform it with my dress and then take off my dress. And she spoil all of it. So when I see she constantly, first she come up in my face and goes, like she goes, how dare you, Amari? And then you have the chief who say, I gotta take my phone in tech tune. I want him tech tune. And you hear me tell you, nobody can take my tune. Me's no comparison to nobody. Me's my own competition. Nobody can win me because I always me lose. It's still a winner. You hear that? But what